and for all the shortcomings I am to be held responsible. Now, another thing, I offer my unconditional love, affection to you, and for your future, and you can, my success will be there when you will go ahead, and you will learn more than what I have learned. As you know, there is a saying that joy is desirable, joy, but parajoy with your offspring and the students. Your success lies when your students, your success, your joy lies in being parajoy with your offspring and students. So therein lies my joy. Thank you, sir. Okay. First, at length, dharma is, I gave you 10 definitions. One is that which holds the world, as well as my Guruji told me, it is true. Truth. It reveals the truth. Sattam Vaidant. So, it reveals the truth. It is on a par with scientific truth. And scientific truths are based on falsifiability. So all the categories of the Nyaya system can be falsified if it is not the best explanation. He told me also that if necessary, you can also modify. So, it is not fixed for all time to come. As Raghunatha modified, lot of new things he has said. Similarly, it is based on reason.